Looking to add royal charm to your hairstyling routine? Discover the secret to perfecting the majestic looks that turn heads. Hollywood waves paired with a tiara offer a sublime blend of vintage allure and modern elegance. The crown braid transforms an ordinary day into a regal occasion, showcasing your inner queen. A flower crown breathes fresh magic into your bob, creating a beautifully enchanting effect. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.